Anyway, very good morning from Newhey. A little bit overcast today, but anyway, we're out. Welcome back to another adventure. And today, we're at Piethorn Gateway to the South Pennines. If you're new to the channel, please click subscribe. It'll help us a lot. And don't forget to like and hit the notification and click the little bell, and you'll be notified of more great videos when we do them. Anyway, look at that. If this doesn't want to make you get out in the great outdoors, I don't know what does. 35 minutes from Manchester and you can see views like this. Piethorn Reservoir towards the South Pennines. I have been here before. I did visit it before, probably about over 12 months ago. But truly stunning, and we've been blessed as well with the weather. So that is always a bonus. A little bit windy, a little bit overcast, but I've got plenty of layers on, and good job I did as well. Beautiful, isn't it? Natural beauty at its very finest. So if you've not been here before, look it up on Google, Piethorn Reservoir in Newhey, and come out here with the kids. But make sure you bring some snacks. Don't do what I did. Rushed out of the house again. As Gabs pointed out in one of his previous videos, we could have done with a flask. And I think on a day like today, I definitely could have considered that, Gabs, if you're watching it. But anyway, beautiful. From here you can see the impressive stone cascade that brings water down from Norman Hill Reservoir to Piethorn. Construction work started in 1858, the reservoir being completely filled 10 years later. Oddly enough, during the excavations for the reservoir, a Celtic spearhead with a 5-inch blade was discovered in the 19th century. We've had a real amazing day today at Piethorn Reservoir in Newhey towards the South Pennines. Hope you've enjoyed it as well. The weather's kept off for us anyway, which is a blessing, which is a bonus. If you're new to the channel, please click subscribe and hit us a like as well, and don't forget to push the little bell as well, and you'll be notified of more great videos when we do them, because we're trying to grow the channel. And thanks for all your comments as well that's came in so far, we do appreciate it. All the best for now from Newhey in Rochdale. Take care and we'll see you soon.